Autismas, Day 14. To find out what I unboxed yesterday, click on the bottom of the screen. The video will be right there. For today's video, we're going to unbox Day 14's gift. So let's see what we got. Oh, cool. In Day 14's package, we got a Zuru Snackle, Series 1. Now, I'm not going to lie when I tell you guys this. I have a majority of these in my collection already. In fact, the only ones I'm missing are the unicorn, the sloth, the cow. No, I have the cow. The corgi, and the elephant. So here's hoping, I doubt it based on the odds, this isn't a duplicate. But without further delay, let's see who I got. Okay, these are always so hard to open, I forgot. Really? And there's a second layer, of course. Forgot about that. Okay. One second. After an eternity of unwrapping it, let's see who I got. Oh, wait. It is a new one. Sweet. So in the Series 1 Snackle that I unpackled, I got Richard the Unicorn. That rocks. I don't actually have this in my collection. And as you can tell, they're holding a box of Fruit Loops. Pretty lucky, I have to admit. In that little packet that was covering their face, here's what their Snackle story is. Also came with a collector's guide and a couple stickers. Come back tomorrow for Day 15.